Hi, my name is Paige and welcome back to my channel. No lipstick on the teeth? Okay, I guess we're good. I'm going to be doing something crazy today. What's new? JK, I don't really do a lot of crazy things, but when it comes to pictures, that's where I get crazy. On Instagram recently, I saw two pictures of flowers that were on fire, and they were photoshopped, but I was like, I wonder if you can actually set a flower on fire. You can, apparently, and it is a photography technique. So a Chinese photographer by the name of Zhang Zi, I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, he did a series of pictures called Love Letters, and it's all just a bunch of flowers being engulfed in flames. I'll insert some right here. So I thought I should give this a try. So I'm going to do some fire flower self-portraits for you today. Could end up catching my house on fire, might burn myself, might ruin this beautiful dress that I got at the thrift store for $5. Basically, some of the tips, I guess, that I've seen, well, usually they use a black background, put the flower in some kind of vase, and then you have to dip it in like either rubbing alcohol. I've heard hand sanitizer works, apparently. I saw somebody do it in their bathroom because they had like their bathtub kind of filled with some water just in case they had to throw it in there. We found a $7 dozen bouquet of roses at Trader Joe's, and they're actually really cool. They're not just like the plain red ones, they actually look kind of like flames. So it's like red and yellow, which is gonna be pretty cool, I think. And we'll see what happens. All right, let's get started. This is some pretty lighting, actually. Let's burn stuff on fire.
Burn! I'll burn you!
This is gonna be our location. I mean, this is where we're gonna start. I'm gonna go get the rest of the stuff. Okay, so in addition to the things that I already showed you, there's sirens. So I have a thing of water and then I have the paper towels just in case. I'm gonna try to like set everything up just to make sure it's like in the right places so that nothing gets like caught on fire. Kind of nervous. I don't even really know how to start.
Maybe start by getting a flower and then maybe just setting it on fire.
Yeah, that sounds pretty good. I hope you can see me from one of these corners. I'm just gonna try to light these flowers on fire. So I'm just gonna take a shot first. Here goes nothing.
Ready?
No, not yet. I'm gonna pick a flower. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour some alcohol on it.
Tell me when to do that thing, okay?
Alright, let me get in frame.
I'm scared.
Okay, ready? Get ready to take some pictures.
I'm scared.
Alright, ready? Hold on, let me get some more. I'm just gonna put some hand sanitizer in it.
Tell me when.
Great, it's not working. I think that the alcohol works the best.
Lots of it this time.
Yeah, we're gonna douse it. Go, go. It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we're okay. We're good. We're gonna keep going.
Wait. Okay. Go.
Ready?
Go.
Go. Go. Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try to take this into the bathroom just because it's kind of difficult with like the wind out here. And it's like really bright that I feel like the flower isn't exactly working out like I hope it would. I went through 5 flowers, so we have 7 left. So I have to move this all inside now. We'll just take a time lapse of that. Okay, honestly, I'm not sure how this is gonna go. I don't know what I was thinking. And also the video is probably just gonna be like from here down. So sorry about it. Wow. Whew. That's exciting. That's exciting. Okay, these flowers are so pretty. I kind of don't want to burn all of them. Gotta do what you gotta do. I should have put it here before. That angle was so bad. This is so much better. What I'm doing is I have my phone on like the high speed setting. And also be careful because like the alcohol, like as it burns and is on fire, it will drip. So you don't want to hold the flower like right up to you because the alcohol will drip down. We're gonna set her on fire now. And go. See how it's doing that? Yeah, you don't want that to like get on you. I have one rose left and I don't know if I really want to like burn it. Oh, it honestly smells so good. So I think I'm just gonna keep this one. Okay, I'm satisfied. I think that that's the end. Cool. All right, so I'm finished with the pictures. I've been finished with the pictures for a really long time now. Can you see my aperture shirt? Only photographers will get it. A couple pieces of advice that I did realize as I was doing this. I wouldn't recommend going outside. I mean, unless it's not a windy day and if it's like not super bright outside, or else the flames don't really flame. Also, if you do it like in a bathroom like I did, I think that's the best place to do it, as long as you're really careful, because you can fill the bathtub up with like a couple inches of water, and then if the flower like catches on fire a lot like it did for me, then you can just throw it right in there, so that's a plus. Also, definitely douse the flower in like rubbing alcohol. Don't use hand sanitizer, it does not work. Someone said it would work, but like when I tried it did not work and it was all jelly, and don't use hand sanitizer. Also, I don't recommend involving your sister, but that was just necessary because I had no idea what I was doing, and then I eventually figured it out. 5-year-old sisters probably have no place in this type of photo shoot. Honestly, like if you're gonna take self-portraits with flowers that are on fire, just be very careful. Let someone know that you're doing it. Don't burn down your house, don't burn down like a forest or anything. It's not worth it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and everything. If you don't like it, then like don't give it a thumbs up. Like I already got your view, so it doesn't really matter. I'll just post some of the pictures right here. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye! Okay, I'll see you in the next video. What am I doing with my arms? Why? What? This is just not working out. Alright, goodbye.